Dragonflies hanging out in the sun, hoverflies pollinating, other kinds of insects just doing their thing and more. All of this has been right under my nose for years on one of my regular walks, but I've never actually noticed until now, thanks to REEFLEX's Pro Series macro lenses. There's a 10x 25mm and a long range 75mm. They're both macro, but they offer distinctively different experiences and results. The 10x lets you get really close. With a working distance of just 15 to 20mm, you can truly fill the frame with the smallest of details, and with its razor thin depth of field, it can transform the otherwise unnoticed or mundane into the wow. The 10x also comes with this clear hood, which you can use to prevent some insects from getting away, and it can diffuse harsh light for more even illumination. The long-range 75mm on the other hand allows you to focus a little further away with a working distance of 20 to 30mm for compositions with more overall context. I like using the 75mm for insects because it lets me get close, yet stay just far enough away to not spook them or interfere with what they're doing. Macro photography isn't just about photographing insects though, of course, but regardless of what your subject is, with depths of field this shallow, the REEFLEX Pro camera app with its easy to use manual controls and focus peaking is essential. I've also been really impressed with both lenses' image quality across the board. After all, what's the point of macro lenses that don't hold up to scrutiny? Here in this 10x shot, you can see the texture of this tiny fly's eye. Unbelievable. And in this shot captured with the 75mm, you can see the fly's individual hairs, and look at how its wings aren't smooth, they look like moth-ridden curtains. Finally, don't forget about the creative and eye-catching video possibilities. These working distances and the ultra-shallow depth of field gives footage a very surreal, very striking and naturally engaging quality. Macro lenses are often likened to a window into another world, but it's not another world, it's our world. These things are all around us. And REEFLEX's Pro Series macro lenses simply allow us to view it, enjoy it, appreciate it, and capture it in ways that we rarely get the chance to.